In today's video, I am going to teach you how to grant admin and advertiser access to a Facebook business page. Start by making sure you are already logged into your Facebook account. Once you are signed in, switch over to your Facebook business page. This is important because you want to manage access from the correct page and business account. After you are on the business page, look to the left-hand menu and click Meta Business Suite. This will open the main management area for your business tools and page settings. If Facebook asks you to choose a business portfolio, go ahead and select the correct one for the page you want to manage. Make sure you choose the right portfolio so the permissions are applied to the correct business assets. Once Meta Business Suite loads, go to the sidebar and scroll down until you see Settings. Click Settings to open your business portfolio settings. Inside Business Portfolio Settings, find the Users section. Under Users, click People. This is where you can view the people who already have access and invite someone new. Next, click Invite People in the top right corner. A new window will appear where you can begin entering the details for the person you want to add. Type in the email address for the person you want to invite, then click Next. On the next screen, leave Partial Access selected, and then click Next again. This option lets you assign only the permissions needed for the page. Now you will be asked to assign an asset. Select the Facebook page that you want to share access to, and then click Confirm Selection. Be careful to choose the correct page if your business manages more than one. After that, you will see permission options for that page. Turn on the toggles for ads and content. These settings allow the person to help manage advertising activity and page content. Once those permissions are enabled, click Next. You will then see a review screen that shows the selected page and the permissions you are about to assign. Take a moment to confirm that everything looks correct. If the details are right, click Invite to send the invitation. Facebook will then send the invite, and the person will be able to accept it and gain access based on the permissions you selected. That is the full process for granting admin and advertiser-style access to a Facebook business page through Meta Business Suite. Thanks for watching. That covers everything you need to know.